All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Roelao or Ralyin V8 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So today in this video, I'm going to talk to everyone about the overall fit of the headphones, and then I'm going to give y'all two audio sample tests. The first one is going to be a leakage test to the best of my ability, and then a sound sample also to the best of my ability. I'm also going to give you guys and gals my overall thoughts and opinions on the overall sound quality, the bass, and the volume of these headphones, and I'm going to go ahead and reiterate these opinions in the full review. So without further ado, I hope everyone finds this video helpful, and let's begin. Now, starting off here, let's talk about the overall fit as I give y'all a demonstration of the profiles. Now, you can see from the front profile here, or a straight heads-on view, the fit on these is actually very, very nice. Now, this is the fit that I use. I have it completely closed because I like that compressed fit. I like it to feel very snug on my head, and it's very, very comfortable for extended listening sessions. You can see if I turn to my left here, this is what the right ear cup looks like, and the right ear cup actually has all of the buttons on it, okay? And then if I turn to my left, you can see what the left ear cup looks like, and the left ear cup is actually completely clean. All right, but talking about the overall fit of these headphones in terms of regular usage, extended usage, the fit and overall comfort level on these is actually really good indeed. All right, now moving on, let's move on with the rest of the video. So up next now, let me get into the sound samples for everyone. Now, for reference, I am using wireless professional audio here today. I can see my microphone is hooked up. Okay, and I do have the headphones connected up to my Pixel 6a. Okay, y'all can see that right here, and I do have the headphones set to maximum volume. You can see it right there, and I will be playing copyright free music. I'll have b-roll of everything and how I have everything set up thrown up in post, and I'll have all the links to everything that I use and feature in this video here today linked up down below in the video description, because I'm all about keeping it straight 100, and especially shouting out some of the really good copyright free music artists that are out there today. So links to everything that I talk about in the video, as well as the affiliate links to where y'all can pick up these headphones at some really great prices, will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you use the purchasing links down below in the video description, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and I consider that a win-win for everyone because it's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So as always, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right, let's jump into the first of the audio sample tests. Let's jump into the leakage test now. Let me go ahead and push play. Okay, let me pause the music here. All right, so real quick leakage test right there. Now, as you guys and gals can see, my professional wireless microphone is less than a foot away from my mouth, which is less than a foot away from the headphones. So any leakage that just came off of the headphones should have easily been able to be picked up by my wireless professional microphones. But real quick leakage there. Let me know what you guys and gals think down below in the comments. Did any leakage come off of the headphones at maximum volume? Now, before we get into the last audio sample test, I just want to give y'all my thoughts and opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these headphones. Now, this is an overall opinion based on my overall usage so far and based on the music that I'm using to demo in this video. I just want to make that clear. All right. Now, talking about the overall sound quality, and it pains me to say this, but I have to say it because I got to keep it straight 100 with y'all. The sound quality on these is just okay at best. The sound quality definitely needs some improvement because I'm noticing a lot of distortion, a lot of crackling, a lot of popping at the higher volumes as well as at the lower volumes, and it caught me by surprise. It really caught me by surprise. And I got to tell y'all, right? Because I've done this test on iOS with my iPhone 11, and I've also done this test on Android with my Pixel 6a, right? And I got to tell y'all, it's even worse on iOS. The crackling and the popping and the distortion is even worse on iOS when I was doing my sound quality testing here. Whereas I don't know what type of profile Android is using, but it's a little bit better on Android in terms of the sound quality with the headphones connected, but I still do notice a lot of crackling, a lot of popping, and a lot of distortion. So the sound quality on these is just okay at best. All right. Now, what I can say is that it's a lot better when you're listening to audio only things like audiobooks or music that prioritizes the vocals. So like R&B, all right? It's a little bit cleaner there, but I did notice a lot of distortion, a lot of crackling, and a lot of popping in my time with these headphones. So the overall sound quality definitely does need some improvement. And again, in my opinion, it's okay at best. All right. Now, moving on and talking about the volume of these headphones. Now, the volume of these headphones is just good. I noticed that even at max volume, I can hear my surroundings. I can't fully immerse myself in what I want to do with the headphones. So I feel like I can always kind of hear my surroundings a little bit. So the volume on these is just okay to good at best, right? Now, moving on and talking about the all-important bass. Now, one thing I want to reiterate, I am not an audio professional. I am just a self-proclaimed tech head and tech junkie and lover of all things bass. And I have to say, when we talk about the bass on these headphones, oh, this is where these headphones kind of fell flat on their face. The bass on these headphones is super duper soft, and it really doesn't matter what I listen to. I listen to R&B, I listen to hip hop, I listen to rock, I listen to pop, I listen to country. It really doesn't matter. Any track where it kind of emphasizes heavy bass, where you're supposed to feel that punch, these headphones just turned out to be super duper soft. And I'm over there like, oh man, did my settings get messed up? No, no. The bass on these headphones is, again, just okay at best and definitely needs some improvements. So talking about the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these headphones overall, I would have to say this is by far the weakest or worst part of these headphones. It's okay to good at best across the board. And this particular 3 category area is where these headphones need a lot of improvement. Okay? But that's just my overall thoughts and opinions on the overall sound quality, volume, and the bass of these headphones. Okay? Now, also, I want to keep in mind, I'll have a close-up of the headphones thrown up in post, so y'all can get a nice close-up shot of the ports and the buttons of the headphones and the adjustable band on the headphones, as I always do. It'll be thrown up in the video somewhere in post. Now, let's get into the final part of this review, or video, my bad, this isn't a review. Let me get into the final part of this video. Let's do a audio sample to the best of my ability. So let me rewind the track here. Okay, And let me go ahead and push play. Okay, and I'm gonna hold up the headphones to my microphone and give y'all a nice audio sample to the best of my ability. And we're gonna do this for 30 seconds. Here we go. Here we go. All right, hold it up. And we'll do this for 30 seconds, starting. Now. I'm dropping you text now. You said you want me when it started. Being with you is still right. Said we could meet it when it started. Yeah. Slow mo down. Sun's about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Okay, let me give y'all an extra 10. Waking up anew. Wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you. Okay, put these back on. Let me stop the music. Okay, and that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for today's video. So again, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Today's video was recorded with the front and rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e at 1080p. 30 frames per second, and we do have wireless audio hooked up here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. And remember to keep it respectful, please. That being said, as I said earlier, if this video piqued your interest, links to all of my extended coverage on these headphones, as well as where you can pick up these headphones at some really great prices, will be linked up down below in the video description. And the video description will contain affiliated links, meaning that when you guys and gals make your purchase using those affiliated links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links, in my opinion, a win-win for everyone. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right, man. I was really looking forward to these headphones doing a good job, and I gotta tell y'all, so far in my testing, these headphones are kind of falling flat on their face. It's kind of making me really, really disappointed. I don't really know if I can handle much more disappointment. And having or dealing with two bad products back to back, it kind of is exhausting, especially when you do the type of testing that I do for these products. So it's really, really disappointing, especially when you have high expectations for these products. But it is what it is. It's all a part of the testing. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.